Hi friends, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda and today I have half an onion. I used the other half earlier in a dish that I made for my family. This thing, if put in a baggie or any kind of container, airtight or not, is going to stink up my whole fridge. And I hate that. There's nothing worse than opening up your fridge in the morning in expectation of pulling out some beautiful oatmeal that you prepared the day before to be hit in the face with onion smell. And I hate it. It is obnoxious. I don't like it. So instead of storing my other half of my onion here in a Tupperware container or a Ziploc bag where I know the smell is going to come out, I'm going to use my grandma's hat. She uses aluminum foil. Super easy, locks in the smell. I don't care who you are, it's going to work. I have just a scrap piece of aluminum foil here. I am going to put the onion in, cut side down. So you want to leave it like that. Cut side down. And you just put this over it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That's it. That is all there is to it. I can put this in my fridge and actually forget it is in my fridge. You don't have to use it the next day. You don't have to get knocked out the next morning when all you want is oatmeal. You don't have to do any of that. It's really easy and it really works. My grandmother has been using this hack forever. She passed that hack along to me a couple years back. I've used it ever since. Never have an onion smell in my house. If you guys enjoyed this tip or want to see more tips like this from the kitchen, I have been sharing hacks from my grandmothers. I have two amazing grandmothers in my life and they have passed on a lot of knowledge to me in my kitchen, and they have so many hacks that they've shared with me over the course of my life, and I am passing those on to you guys. So check out that playlist. I hope you never experience that knockout yuck from onions in your fridge again. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next one.